Honorable chairs and dear learned audience, good morning and welcome to all our first National Scientific Conference on Psychiatry. I am Dr. Shahana Parveen. Now present my article. The title of my article was Grand Report on M-Care, that is mobile-based care for children with autism spectrum disorder for low and middle income countries. The principal author was Sheikh Iqbal Ahmed, Professor, Marquette University, USA. In introduction, I want to say, in low and middle income countries, especially in Bangladesh, autism spectrum disorder may be considered an anathema, and social, cultural, and financial constraints mean that there are few facilities available for treatment of autism spectrum disorder children. The revolution in the use of mobile phone, near about 80% by the majority of people in Bangladesh in recent years, has created an opportunity to improve the overall scenario in the treatment of remote monitoring process for children with autism spectrum disorder. If we discuss about background, we can say in Bangladesh, socio-cultural, financial constraints and a scarcity of mental health care practitioners have deprived from families raising children with autism spectrum disorder from regular monitoring, care and support. The treatment and care of kids with SD and are underdeveloped in Bangladesh. Existing practices depends on traditional on-the-spot evaluation of the behavior of children with SD or caregiver recollections during their occasional visit to a limited number of mental health care professionals. M-Care is the first mobile-based tool to routinely and systematically collect behavior and developmental parameters for children with autism spectrum disorder in low and middle income countries. The objective of our study was to develop a mobile phone-based system to remote monitor children with ASD and help their treatment process both at caregiver and care practitioner ends. To study the impact of the mobile-based monitoring and treatment children with ASD children in Bangladesh. It was a cross-sectional study. The study place was Air Force Center, the National Institute of Mental Health Bangladesh, the Institute of Pediatric Neurodisorder and Autism, that is ZIPNA, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Autism Welfare Foundation, Dhaka, and Nishpap Autism Foundation, Chattogram. Study period 24 months, 2 years. Study population are children with SD, age ranges from 2 to 9 years, and their caregiver, those using a smartphone or feature phone. Our sample size was 300 out of the 150 was case and 150 was control. We followed a multi-phase mixed method study design. First of all, software development, then data collection and monitoring. Last stage is study usability and result analysis. Data collection was done by face-to-face interview with semi-structured questionnaire for social, demographic and relevant clinical details. Data analysis was system automated. This is the M-Care app. We developed an app for the smartphone user group and an SMS system for those using feature phone of 60% of app user and 40% of SMS user, particularly in the participated in our study. Behavior and developmental data collection phase started in November 2019 and ended in November 2020. This is the study summary. Content and feature development from 0 to 3 months by interviews and focus group discussion. Software development, VSD, that is Visual Sensitive Design and FMB, and it was 3 to 6 months. And usability analysis, Nelson's heuristic system, it is 3 to 6 months, and usability scale. Preliminary data collection was done by questionnaire. This takes time from 3 to 9 months, and visit observation method, it was done by passive method, and training for longitudinal data 6 to 9 months. Longitudinal data and behavior and developmental parameter collection was done from 9 to 21 months. Group session with professionals, face-to-face interview was done by quarterly. It is take time 9 to 21 months. And usability analysis was done from 18 to 21 months. Visit observation 18 to 21 months. Caregiver session over phone interview was done 18 to 21 months, and data analysis and rating was 21 to 24 months. This is a screenshot of data given by the caregivers in the mobile app, SMS app, MCare app. It shows 7 days data given. Green one is on this day they given the data, and red cross indicate they did not given the data. This is another screenshot for parents. Patients improvement report in MCare app. Now I discuss result. The overall outcome of this work is to create a historical data sheet for children with autism spectrum disorder, which helps create care practitioners develop treatment plans using evidence-based decision making. Demographic overview shows that most of the participants, near about 71.4%, was aged from 6 to 9%, and as usually male predominant, around 80% male child was recruited. And never, the 28.9% of them never went to any kind of school, and 48.9% continue going to special school. Others sometimes go to school, either specialist school or normal school, but cannot continue. This is the confidence interval table for control group in test group and control group in the milestone parameter development. It showed that control in the communication domain, daily living skill domain, socialization domain, and motor skill domain. All 4 domain test group are done better than control group. It shows the socioeconomic variables of parents. In our animal center, very few, about 4% only parents, only postgraduate, but highest was found in private organization, Autism Welfare Foundation. This is the participant specialized school. From you see that only 26% participant are went to school, special school, and autism welfare it is 96%. It shows the great variation in government and non-government institution, that is the socio-economic status also varied according to. Living style of participants, especially SD, 66 to 72% living in the urban area, and 72 to 92% was from nuclear family. Now I want to discuss the test group participation having slightly better improvement level in the statistically than in control group participant. Additionally, the caregivers took part in the MCare study are highly satisfied with its performance. According to the final feedback, the continuous and routine monitoring of their children through the MCare app or SMS increased their motivation. Furthermore, due to pandemic of COVID-19, the MCare system was perfect for monitoring participants through remote method. The system performed well with the social and economic constraint that people pandemic place on participants. We found number of impact directly related to COVID-19 on the participant and caregivers through the MCare system. There are also some study limitation as usual. Caregiver wanted to see immediate development and improvement of their children through MCare, and some patients did not see improvement immediately. They are sometimes demotivated and did not provide their child behavioral data regularly, and for that it was difficult to make evidence-based decision by using this system. Another challenge was that lack of proper training session with the parents due to the lockdown period of COVID-19. So in conclusion, I want to say the mobile-based care using remote experience sampling method is in the ASD children monitoring and treatment process is suitable, and it can be used in both of